very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the international premiere of Illumi. Now, the F&B is already open. Hospitality is open to everyone. So just go there, grab a drink. There's alcoholic drinks, there's non-alcoholic drinks. There's also some ice cream. I know the weather's pretty good, but we can all cool down with more ice cream. Coming up at about 7:30 p.m. when it gets darker, then we're going to do the official light up, and you're going to be the first to catch how Illumi looks, and I'll along the way tell you more about Illumi as well. But a very warm welcome to all members of media. We're so delighted that you can be here with us today. This is the international premiere of Illumi, which is the world's largest light, sound, and multimedia event. We're delighted you are here. Please walk around and have some drinks and have some ice cream on us.
I'm okay.